Hi there, welcome to the channel. Instrument pilots are required to stay current. That means within 6 calendar months, flying 6 approaches. Now, my DPE advised me to not just do those 6 approaches, but every 6 months to go out and see a certified flight instructor so that if I have any bad habits, they can correct me. This is the story of me flying those 6 approaches, which I'm doing in 2 different airplanes at various types of airports. Now, 3 of the approaches are going to be done in TAA, technically advanced airplanes, highly technical, G1000 panels with extraordinary autopilots. And 3 of the approaches are going to be done in a more challenging airplane, a complex retractable gear airplane with no autopilot, just radios. I'm dividing it down into 6 different videos so that if you don't have time to watch the whole thing, you can click in and see which one you want to. Now, 3 of the videos were made and the approaches were made from here at Sporty's Airport in Sporty's TAA airplanes. This is the 182 with a G1000 that you've seen in several of my videos as I go cross country. They also have a G1000 172, and since this one was in the shop on the day I was looking to do my flying, I did it in the 172 12064. 3 of the approaches were done from Middletown in a 172RG. You've seen several videos that I've made with that airplane as well, and including the one where I flew back from Burke Lakefront to Middletown, where it was IFR from the time I got on the runway to the time I left the runway, due to Canadian smoke blowing in over Ohio that lowered visibility down to under a mile for much of the time. So 3 of the approaches were flown in this, a 172S 12064 is the call sign. And I had Eric, a CFII from Sporty's Academy, in the right seat while I'm wearing Foggles. This is the first approach we did. It's unusual because the wind was headed in the opposite direction. So I flew the RNAV to 6 right at Lunken. I chose Lunken because it's a towered field, and I used ATC to guide me in because I think it's important to do your practices in as realistic a condition as possible.
I see him way down there over the lake.
There we go.
It's a helicopter.
Yeah. Figured as much as low as he was.
Yeah.
12064, turn right heading 290, descend and maintain VFR 2500.
Right to 290, maintain VFR at 2500.
Mach 710, you expect runway 36 center.
There we go. Okay, we'll put these down so we're official.
Okay.
Okay, we are starting to come down.
Yeah.
Number 530, Whiskey Pop, descend and maintain 3000.
3000, sir, Whiskey Pop.
It's great to be clear up here. You can see again.
Yeah, isn't that great? Okay, and we can come all the way down to 1300. 1280, but we're going to do 1300.
Okay. 12064, turn right heading 360, join the final approach course inbound.
360 to join the final approach inbound. 64.
230 Whiskey Pop has airport in sight.
Number 230 Whiskey Papa, Roger, you can join at Wonin or close to the airport and clear visual approach runway.
Okay, so I can go to approach
visual
now?
Approach 3 right, 0 Whiskey Pop.
You can put it in approach mode.
Okay, good. That's what I was asking. There we go.
Number 230 Whiskey Papa, contact Lunkin Tower 118.7. Have a good day.
1187, have a good day, 0 Whiskey Pop.
So how far out can I push the approach button?
Until you're active anywhere out here,
Okay.
as long as you're on a 45 degree.
12064, you can continue your turn to 010 to join, and you're 2 miles from Sheila. Maintain VFR, clear RNAV runway 3 right approach.
For us.
We are on approach for 12064.
He wanted 010.
Yeah, we don't need that. It's going to pick us
It's
up.
going to do it
Yep.
itself. Okay.
So when you put it in approach mode, it's going to try and do
Gotcha.
a 45 degree intercept.
Okay.
So once we pass Sheila, we can go down to 2100.
Okay.
Got a little ways to go.
Okay, well, I won't push the down
Yep.
button.
Yep.
My distance to Sheila is where?
Just about coming up on. It's not listed here because of what it is. So you have to look there. We're about a half a mile.
Okay.
So from Woman to Sheila is 4.9. So even though it's not listed here, we know we're not at Sheila yet because we're still 5.1 out.
Okay.
There's 5. So we're almost there. For Sheila?
It doesn't know to come down now.
No, you have to tell it.
Okay.
Okay, we're past Sheila, so we can go down.
Okay, so alt down. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Approach, do you have missed instructions for 12064?
Number 12064, stand by just a moment. Actually, 12064, you can expect runway heading and maintain VFR 2500.
Runway heading up to 2500 on the miss for 12064.
Okay, you just take the radio.
I'll do that.
I like flying with you. It's a lot of fun.
Well, thank you.
I like flying. You like flying.
Yep.
Number 12064, contact Lunkin Tower 118.7.
Over to tower on 118.7 for 12064.
Mach 710 to maintain 9.
Lunkin Tower, Skyhawk 12064 on the RNAV 3 right.
12064, Lunkin Tower. Number 2, following the Cessna mile final runway 3 right, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option for 12064. All right, what's our next?
Conan.
Okay. And where do we go after that? How far can we go down?
So let's go see. Conan, I can go down to 1480.
Okay.
It's the real approach. So let's put that in.
Turn our strobes on.
Got it. I'm just here to to log an approach.
All right.
Play the buttons.
Got a buddy of mine that we switch back and forth with flying approaches and whatnot.
Okay, so Wonan is
Yeah, 0.6.
6.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's up here. Is it 0.6?
Yep.
Yeah, 0.5. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want it up here.
Yeah.
I got it up here.
And so when he flies, I'm on the radios. When I fly, he's on the radios.
That's the way it should be.
Yeah.
That way everyone's having fun and we're both
Yep.
active. That's what I expect it to do. Exactly, it'll push the Alt button, push it down to 400 or 500, and it goes where I want it to go.
You're going to want it. The other thing you want to do on this point is slow down and get 10 degrees of flaps in.
And, so slow down, so we're going to drop some power.
Right.
Okay, my power's over there, so let's take it down to about 2,000.
We got to get below 110 before we put the flaps down. There we go.
Like my RG, where I can
Yeah, 140.
sort of put the gear down. Yeah, is that 10 degrees? There we go.
Autopilot's going to squawk and say, "What the heck are you doing?" There we go. We're back to 90.
It's good. Okay, so that's that's 1,800. Okay. Okay, so it's 3 to the end of the runway. We can now go down to...
Be able to go down to 1,300.
1,300, okay. My airspeed. All right.
Six-five Bravo, number 2, following a Cessna, mile and a half, final runway 3 right, clear for the option.
Okay, we're 1,300.
Cessna, clear for the option, 3 right.
We're 2 out.
Watch our airspeed.
Minimums.
Need that much. 1,700, 1,800, 1,000.
Right, we can execute the mist.
Execute the mist?
Yep.
Okay, is there a mist button?
Nope. This one does not.
Okay.
Disengage your
Trim
autopilot.
in motion.
Yeah. There we go. It's coming up. Tower 12064 is going mist.
2064, roger.
Up to 25.
Yep. You can engage the autopilot, but you have to set it to heading mode.
Set 064, contact Cincinnati departure.
Contact departure for 12064. Cincinnati departure, Skyhawk 12064, 1.8 for 2.5, runway heading off of Lucken.
Skyhawk 12064, Cincinnati departure, Cincinnati altimeter 3006, ident.
3006 and ident for 12064.
Skyhawk 12064, your radar contact.
Trim in motion.
Lucken Airport, you can climb and maintain VFR 3500. and turn right heading 120, vector visual, correction vector RNAV, runway 3 right approach.
120. Right to 120 up to 3,500 for 12064.
Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed something, had a good time. While you're here, I hope you'll subscribe and hit the like button so that we can tell you when we do others like this. I do a lot of instrument flying videos. And so that your friends who have a similar interest will be able to find us around the world. Thanks. Have a great day.